Here are the 7 best online side hustles without any money or experience in 2022. Before I share the 7 side hustles with you guys, go ahead and take a quick second to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you're looking for someone to grow an online business. Alright guys, so the first side hustle that you can start right now, and if you are someone that likes to edit videos, video editing is perfect because now more than ever there are creators on YouTube such as myself and just millions of other creators out there, right? There are big YouTuber channels, there are little YouTube channels that all need your help, believe it or not. But these big YouTube channels, big YouTubers, they are still editing videos themselves, they are still creating their own thumbnail, and if you reach out with the right message, these people need your help. They need to buy that time back. They need their time back so that they can go shoot more content and do other fun stuff. And that's where you come in, right? You can go and edit their videos. And a lot of these times, editing videos like this isn't too hard at all, right? You just need some type of software to get started, right? I use Final Cut Pro. I'm sure there's lots of video editing softwares out there that you can use. But it's not just YouTubers, right? Businesses in general, they now know how important it is to have video content, right? Especially for their social media accounts, their Instagram, their Facebook, and in the media space, right? So businesses in general are looking for people who need videos created for them, right? So just simply reach out. If you are someone that likes to edit videos, this is perfect for you. So I would say the best way to reach out to a potential client is, for example, if you want to work with a specific YouTuber and seeing that if they might need your video editing skills or not, I would go into their YouTube channel, find their Instagram, and most of the time all their Instagram, their links, their social media links and all that, including their email, are always in the description, right? So get their Instagram, get their email, and just send them a message, right? And just start a conversation. Hey, was wondering if you needed someone to help you edit your videos, right? I saw that you make great videos. You know, I love that one video that you created, right? Frame a specific video and then see if they are open to needing some of your help. And the second side hustle that anybody can start, so easy guys, is social media management, right? Posting on Instagram, Facebook, you know, YouTube, Twitter, whatever it is, businesses now are understanding the social media presence is important, and it is so easy for you to reach out to somebody and provide social media management, right? So the business owner will either provide you with content, or you may have to go and create content for them, which means that you can charge a little bit more. But essentially, social media management is so easy because you're probably already scrolling on your phone. You already know how to post on Instagram and Facebook. And these business owners, they either don't know how to do it effectively, efficiently, or maybe simply they just don't have the time to do that, right? So that is where you can come in and manage people's social medias, right? Creating content that's going to have engagement, going to get some buzz, right? And really just growing their presence online. This is super easy for anybody of any age, right? I remember when I started doing my business, this is where I started off too. I just reached out via emails and Instagram DM and just asked, hey, can I manage your social media? From there, met up with them. In your case, you might not have to meet up with them. You can just do a phone call, explain what it is that you do. And there are softwares out there such as Hootsuite, where you can schedule content ahead of time, right? So that means you won't even have to really post the content yourself. You can just grab all the content that you need to post for the client, and then just schedule it out using a software, and then you're pretty much done for the week. Now the third side hustle, and this by far is probably my favorite because I've grown my whole entire business and I am where I am today because of this side hustle that I started with little to zero money and zero experience as well, and that is the lead generation business, right? And what is that exactly, right? It is basically you working with local service-based businesses or businesses in general to generate them what the title of it is, right? Generate them leads that turns into customers, right? You see, businesses, they all want the same thing. They all want one thing, the same thing. They all want more customers to make more money. And so you can actually go, on Facebook, on Google, I don't know about LinkedIn, but I know that on Facebook, there are free courses for you to take. Facebook will actually teach you how to use their platform to run ads, right? You can learn how to run Facebook ads. You'll learn how to run Instagram ads. And Google, the same thing. They'll provide you courses on how to do analytics, how to run Google ads, all super simple things, guys. As when you guys go through the course, you're gonna be realizing how easy it actually is, right? But people just don't have the time, or that's just not where they want to focus on, right? So if you are interested in working with, you know, local businesses, helping businesses grow, generating them new customers, and it's actually very rewarding, then lead generation is perfect for you. And businesses in general now understand how effective online marketing is and how much return you can get from their investment, right? So there is a huge market for lead generation businesses. I've actually been able to scale and grow, start and scale my digital marketing agency that focuses on mainly lead generation from 0 to multiple 6 figures a year, and we're on track to hit 7 figures, right? So really cool things. I started my whole entire business from here in my little bedroom, so I'm sure that you'll be able to do the same thing. And if you want to learn the systems, right, I have a free masterclass. That link is in the description below. Don't worry, you don't have to pay for anything. The masterclass is absolutely free. So if you want to learn more about that business model and how I was able to take my business from 0 to multiple 6 figures, go check out that free masterclass. The link is in the description. The fourth side hustle is copywriting, right? So maybe you're not really into the marketing stuff. Maybe you don't really like to do social media, and matter of fact, you don't even have Instagram or Facebook for whatever reason, but you enjoy writing, right? Maybe you are really good at writing engaging copy. Maybe you are able to persuade people through your writing, right, to get people to do something. Well, the fourth side hustle is copywriting, guys. And a lot of people, businesses, coaches, consultants, people that have digital products and sell something online typically have to write engaging content for people to check out their services, their products, and ultimately purchase whatever it is that they are offering. So a lot of times, including myself, we don't have time to think of new creatives, to write something clever to get people to read what we got going on and make our product or service sound super cool, right? So if you are good at writing, if you enjoy writing, you like to, you know, write engaging pieces of content, make something sound really interesting through words, then copywriting is beautiful, great side hustle for you. The fifth side hustle is going into coaching and consulting. More than ever, people are looking to learn something online outside of traditional schooling, right? They are looking, for example, you're on this YouTube channel learning to learn more side hustles, right? And the cool thing about coaching consulting is that people are always wanting, there's more people now than ever looking to learn something, okay? And I get it. You're probably thinking, well, Jordan, I'm not an expert. I'm not the number one, a guru in anything. And I'm here to tell you that you don't have to be the best. You don't have to be a super well-known expert, right? You just need to understand what it is that you like, what you're good at, and what you're passionate about, right? So if you're passionate about something that you can get results or success for yourself, and then you can teach that to somebody else, you have yourself a side hustle, guys. And the coaching consulting, it doesn't have to be anything crazy or educational or anything like that. There are literally people teaching others how to sleep better, how to be a better husband, how to read faster, how to read more, how to be healthier through diet, how to be healthier through exercising at the gym, exercising at home, right? Boxing coaches, right? So find out what it is that you enjoy, and it could be like something even weird. It doesn't have to be like amazing, something well thought out, right? It's maybe something really specific, like how to sit better in better posture so that you don't have back pains and stuff like that, right? So think of something that maybe you enjoy talking about or you enjoy doing anyways, and go into coaching consulting with that, right? Teach somebody who's willing to learn that's going to improve whatever it is that they're looking for, and offer that. You can literally coach and consult on anything. And the sixth side hustle, and probably one of my favorites, right? I don't make a whole lot of money from this, but I actually do get a whole lot of traffic that then generates me new clients for my agency, my business, my coaching, my consulting. And overall, I do enjoy just creating content in general. So the sixth side hustle is starting a YouTube channel, and there's so much that goes along with this, guys. You might say that you might be shy in front of a camera, and honestly, I'm not the best person in front of the camera, believe me, but when you enjoy talking about something or you are passionate about sharing something, just document whatever it is that you got going on. I always tell everybody, start a YouTube channel, right? It's the easiest thing that you can do. Now, a YouTube channel is more like a baby. It might take some time for it to grow, but once it does grow, you're going to have three things. You're going to have an audience, right? An audience where people like you, they trust you, so they watch you and they believe in whatever it is that you have to offer, right? They value your opinion, thoughts, and opinions, okay? The second thing you're gonna have is AdSense. YouTube AdSense is gonna pay you, right? Now, depending on your channel, the size of it, what you talk about, that's gonna vary, okay? You're gonna get sponsorships, right? People are going to reach out to you to sponsor you, right? So you're gonna get paid to pretty much do advertisements for these companies that reach out to you. And the other thing is affiliates, right? You can have affiliate links. You can promote other people's products that you yourself think is helpful to your audience, right? So affiliates, all these things, that you have so many opportunities to build an income. And I always think that when in doubt, just start a YouTube channel. Even though if you don't know what to talk about, just start a YouTube channel and start documenting things, right? It might be a vlog, it might be something you're building, right? Creating, it might be just your family vlog, whatever it is, just start documenting on YouTube, and then find out what works and what doesn't. Find out what your audience enjoy watching and what they don't enjoy watching, right? And then just make more of the content that people like. And then from there, your audience is gonna grow and you're gonna have, you know, 1 million plus subscribers, and from there you're gonna be good to go. That side hustle is now gonna grow into something a lot bigger than that. And the seventh thing is really not a side hustle, but more of a tip from me to you. Whatever it is that you choose to do, make sure that you enjoy doing it, you're passionate about it. And because the worst thing that can happen, the worst thing you could do is do something that you don't enjoy and solely just for the money. The money is always going to follow as long as you're consistent in your action, right? It doesn't matter how big it or small it is, as long as you're consistent with your action, the money's gonna follow, right? So whatever it is that you choose doing, make sure you enjoy it, you're passionate about it, and you can put a smile on your face when you're doing it, right? So don't dread what you're doing, don't hate it. If that's the case, it's time for you to try something else, right? And I think that's another thing that's super important, is if you don't know what you like, don't know what you're passionate about, and maybe you're just learning more about yourself, then my suggestion would be to just try as many things as possible, do different things, right? Try all the side hustles that we included today, and then see which one you enjoy the best, which one you like the best, which you're great at, and you're gonna figure out what you're good at and what you're not good at, and then just double down on things that is working and what you enjoy. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. These are the 7 best online side hustles for you to start in 2022 without money or experience. So you have no excuses. Start working hard, start just doing stuff, right? And get those side hustles going, because you never know, that side hustle can turn into something lifelong for you, and hopefully you can get some financial freedom from that. So if you found this video helpful, drop a thumbs up. Let me know if I missed out on any good side hustles in the comment section, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. My name is Jordan. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.